to create this specific textured cord. We are working with a series of puff stitches chained together closely. Start with a slip knot and chain your desired foundation length. For each puff link, yarn over. Insert your hook into the stitch. Pull up a long loop. Do this 3 to 4 times. Into the same space to build height and volume. Yarn over and pull through all loops on your hook, then secure it with a chain stitch. Repeat this stacking motion consecutively to build this thick, rounded, braided-looking chain. What is it used for? Using this versatile pattern, you can make or accent practically anything. It's fantastic for designing custom project bags, stylish sweaters, cozy headbands, trendy bandanas, adjustable drawstrings for hoodies, durable handmade purse handles, decorative bookmarks, or even playful jewelry pieces like bracelets and necklaces because of its soft, cushiony texture. That wraps up our project for today. Thank you so much for hanging out and crafting this awesome textured cord with me. I hope you had fun and feel inspired to use it in all your future makes. Don't forget to hit that like button. Leave a comment down below with what you plan to create. And subscribe so you never miss a tutorial.